This Akuzi karaoke booth for $28 per hour, good for 4 to 6 packs. Bring your friends, guys, at the Somerset 313, level 4, room 25.
Cheers tayo. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Heads underwater, but I'm breathing fine. I'm gonna keep my mind on this. Terrified. Turn the TV on, turn my hand in my hand.
This was happened last 24th of December. We're just looking for something new food na hindi pa namin na kakain, or like I just want to try something new. And we just looking around kung meron kaming mahahanap, at lakad-lakad lang po kami dito sa mall, sa ilalim, sa basement 2 ng Somerset 313. So we just found the Japanese ramen. So we decided to eat here, and we just looking for the menu. But of course, yung main course po nila is ramen, and there's some also the dumpling. Yung beverage po nila, may mga lemonade, then may mga dessert din po sila. My order po, beef ramen and meat Junette, my date. Chicken ramen naman yung sa kanya, at we order the same lemonade juice. Let's eat po. Naubos po namin yung order, miso soup, yung sabaw ng Japanese ramen. So, after po namin yun after namin ng mag-lunch, naganap na lang po kami ng karaoke booth para to chill out.
Lakas loob mo. Cheers tayo. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Lakas na lang.
I was wrong when I hurt you. Did you hurt me? Do you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want.
We ordered po ng 1 bottle of wine. So while we singing po, umiinom kami. Pero hindi naman kami magpapakalasing, just to chill lang po. As in chill. We're not gonna drunk. We add additional 1 more hour para maubos po namin yung wine namin, kasi yung 1 hour na nag-video, nag-karaoke kami, we're not done the bottle of the wine. So we decided to add 1 more hour para maubos namin yung wine namin. So total po 2 hours kaming naglagi sa loob ng karaoke booth, and we having fun actually. We just worth yung binayad namin is worth it.
And I will take you into my arms.
Next. Next step. Mabilisan. 10 minutes pa ate. Ano ba next song? Next song. Next song.
Turn na ni Junette kumanta, and this is her moment. Sorry po, may dinagdag lang akong sound effect na background. Baka kasi makopyright ako. So this is our 2 hours na karaoke booth. So far naman po, worth it. Yung binayad namin talaga. We just enjoy our time here to spend.
She's been living in her uptown world. I bet you never had a backstreet bump. I bet ay mama.
Okay lang yan. Dalawa lang tayo dito. Walang sabihan na
Living in the white bread world as long as I'm white.
Bakit wala? Gusto ko yung may sounds.
Hindi ka sabay. Huwag ka na. Meron naman pala dyan eh. Bakit mo ba kami nahirapan, Amy? Ay, hindi ko alam yung kanta ko. Bahala, ikaw na muna dyan.
After po ng karaoke namin, lumabas na po kami kasi our time is over. We don't have no much time at hindi na pwede kaming mag-extend.
Ka na something na may cold. Or drunk. Naubos namin isang bottle ng churros. Merry Christmas!
After po namin yun sa karaoke, naganap po kami ng dessert para sa may alcohol na ininom namin na wine. Kasi medyo tinamaan kami. So, we decided to order sweet, a dessert, ice cream, or whatsoever. So, this is we found. And medyo malaki po yung bowl, kaya hinati lang namin dalawa. So, we cannot finish the one bowl with the one person. Good for 2 po yung one bowl kasi, kaya sobrang laki.
It's quite big. Can finish this one. It looks so yummy. This is our treat for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yung ginawa po naming order is chocolate brownies.
Pero red one never. Tadan! Akin na yung ticket mo. Tapos videoan na.
Nighttime na po to, gumala pa din po kami. Pumunta kami ng Christmas Wonderland sa Gardens by the Bay at yung light show ng Super Tree Grove. It's too crowded po kasi madaming tao, as in madaming tao at mahaba yung pila and so on. And we're already in naman po. Nakapasok naman po kami so far, nakahinga pa rin naman ng maluwag and so on. Enjoy the Christmas Eve and spend your time during the festive season and your Christmas day, especially with your loved ones, your family and relatives, your friends. After po ng show ng Super Grove 3, we're just walking around at we just found something. Hadrix, yung bottle na ginawa ng Christmas tree, and some of the decoration na parang Pirate Caribbean, like this. So, we're just walking through there and we decided to walk again. Nalalabas na kami kasi parang wala na rin naman kaming magawa kasi it's too crowded at ayaw na namin makipagsiksikan pa at we cannot take a picture also kasi, yeah, kasi nga madaming tao. So, we decided to go out na lang din po. Mahaba-haba yung po yung pasyensya nyo kasi is a festive season at expected na po talagang crowded yung lahat ng mga galaan. So, you need a long patience para lang makaabot kayo sa destination nyo. Only this video guys yung nakuha ko talaga kasi nga wala akong talagang nakuhang mga video or picture like something we just really need to go out na kasi sobrang crowded at too crowded talaga kasi wala namang talagang kaming ginawa dyan. We're just only walking through at heading out na po talaga. And that's all guys for this video for today and thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!